Standard 5 Subject English Lesson 1 Exploring Space. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the space. Before going to the lesson, let's learn few terminologies about the space. First one, universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 billion years ago. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, and meteoroids, and also the natural satellites. Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Solar system. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system which comprises of the Sun on the 8 planets. Earth, the living planet. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is called the blue planet or watery planet because 3/4 of the Earth is covered by the water. Earth is the only planet in the solar system to know the support life. Life is possible on the Earth because of the presence of land, air and water. Atmosphere consists of air, lithosphere consists of solid surface, hydrosphere consists of water. Spacecraft. Astronomers to reach the space by using the spacecraft. First man in space, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Lesson 1 Exploring the Space. This lesson, first unit, Earth, the desolated home. Desolated means to deprive of inhabitants. It is on an imaginary story. If we destroyed the Earth, we will colonize the Mars in future. Mars is very difficult to live. Let's learn the glossary. Capsule, a small cylinder-shaped bed. Sol, Martian solar day, a Martian day. Hub, habitant, human settlement. Fuels, an energy source for engines, power plants, reactors. Survival, to remain alive. Adapting, modify or readjust. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Scientist, an expert in science. The story tells us that grandfather visiting a grandchild Arivumadi in March for celebrate her birthday. Grandfather missed the earth because Mars is not suitable to survival. There is no rainwater or not available for that real vegetables. Mars is also called the red planet. See the Mars and the water. Space suit. Astronomers wearing the space suit to reach the space. The space suit contains the oxygen cylinder. Mars is comprises of dust, red dust. It sometimes causes the heavy storm. But in that earth have the fertile soil. In earth, the soil, it's good for that growth the plants. See the waters in Mars. In earth we get the water from the rain, but in that Mars they get the water by the burning fuels. Astronaut. See the plants in that Mars. They grow the plant in artificial way. For growing the plants, they offer the essential plant nutrition like oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and sulfur, etc. Look at the picture. See, the astronomers landed the Mars. See the picture. This is the capsule. Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed for protect that people in that space. We are colonize the Mars is very difficult. What purpose we are colonize that Mars? We desolated the earth only, we shifted to the Mars. How that earth desolated? In the human activities only, the earth will be desolated. So don't cut the trees. If we cut the trees now, the rain is not coming. So plant the trees and get the rainwaters. Many of the peoples cut the trees and build the home, and also the pan the plastic. These are the way we save our earth. Let us learn the story sentence by sentence. The story is about that space in Mars. Grandfather, the conversation of grandfather and her grandchild Arivumadi. Let's see. It was the year 2068. Now we are in the 2020. So after 48 years, the human had destroyed the earth. The human had destroyed the earth and started colonizing that red planet Mars. Colonizing means shifted to one place to another place. Okay. For example, the Britishers colonized India. Okay. We destroyed the earth only, we can colonize the red planet Mars. So India established 3 colonies. Okay, Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. It was the year 2068, our earth may be destroyed. It is an imaginary story. Arivumadi grandfather went to the Mars for celebrating her grandchild Arivumadi birthday. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule na a small cylinder shaped bed. There is that capsule. Have you seen that capsule? For example, the tablet type of tablet have the capsule. He reached the home. Next he said, "Wake up." Arivumadi was surprised. "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." He sighed. Na? He looked. "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lost for a month, but this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hab for vegetables." Okay, wow. What they said in that paragraph? In the paragraph, they meet that grandfather and Arivumadi meet because he across that storm of dust storm. Dust storm na sometime the dust become a storm. But in this time it's not there. So I will be on a time. Likewise, grandfather said to the Arivumadi. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Soul means Martian solar day. Martian solar day na the sun revolves around the sun. That is called the Martian day. Martian day or the souls. Next they both are talked. Next they will go to harvest that vegetation hab. Vegetation hab means a habitat or the human settlement. Here that full of vegetation hab na full of vegetables habitat. Let's see the next paragraph. In the hab, he said him, "These carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood." Grandfather said, "In the carrot, it's not taste like that. Ate that earth carrot." She asked, "Why do you say so, Grandpa?" Grandfather explained to Arivu, "The vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth." Arivu asked eagerly, "How did they grow the crops on vegetables on earth?" How did they grow crops on vegetables on earth? Likewise, Arivumadi asked to grandfather. Hearing this, grandfather was reminded on life on earth. He so missed on the earth. He said the earth had fertile soil. Fertile soil na rich in growth and plants. So the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, "But I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil." Okay, va? So Arivumadi said, "I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct?" Okay, va? Likewise, Arivumadi said to grandpa. Grandfather laughed. "These fruits, vegetables and water are not same as in the earth." Okay, va? Arivu exclaimed, "Even the water," he said, of course, in Mars we get from burning fuels." How they get from that water in the Mars? By burning the fuels. But in the earth we get the water from the rain. She said, "Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth." Okay, va? Arivumadi not like to on that earth. Okay, va? "I know that life there was easy." Okay, va? She said, "I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult." Okay, va? So grandfather replied, "Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Adapting to Mars is difficult." It's very easy to live in Earth, but adapting to Mars is difficult. Adapting na to modify. We easily live in the Earth, no? So we want to modify ourselves. Today we are fighting or for things which we got easily. We got easily to get the things in the Mars. Then he continued, in the Earth you did not need a space suit. See the picture, grandfather and Ariyamadi wore the space suit or on oxygen cylinder. Also there is or longer here. Okay, ma? There is no air on water. Ariyu said, yes grandpa. In Mars, 668 sols, 687 Earth days makes a year. Okay, ma? So 687 days only 1 year considered in the Mars. But in the Earth, 365 days, 365 and quarter 1 year. Okay, va? So 4 years once considered the leap year. The time the leap year consists of 366. Okay, va? So grandfather smiled, haha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home. Okay, va? Grandpa thought, we destroyed our home. So that only we colonized the Mars. The home that had offered us, now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry grandpa, the scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Scientists now what now? On experts in science are trying to terraform the Mars. Terraform means they changed the Marses to make the environment for suitable to live the humans. He said true, but nothing can be on the earth. The earth is our home. Don't destroy that earth. Okay, ma'am. What the story tell to us, ma'am? Don't destroy the earth. Let's leave this for now. Today we should celebrate Ariyamadi birthday. In the first unit, the grandfather went to the Mars for celebrating her grandchild birthday. Next one, see, what action destroyed the earth? What are the action we destroyed the earth, ma? Already I told, cut down the trees. Okay, we should plant the trees. Don't pollute the earth. How will you change it, ma? How will you change it? We should plant the tree. Don't cut the tree. Next, don't pollute the earth. Ban plastic. In the human beings, luxury life only destroyed that earth. How the human being lived the luxury life, ma? We should avoid that private car. Okay, use the public vehicles. In the olden days, the human being used in the bullock cart, bicycle, tricycle and all. That is called the ecosystem. Not polluted the earth. That first unit finished. The desolated home is finished. Let's choose the correct option. Here see that box, option given, astronomer, earth, soul, fuels, Mars. First one, a day in Mars is called soul. Dash is called the red planet, Mars. Our planet is called the earth. We get water by burning fuels. The dash are trying to terraform Mars, ma. Who is terraform the Mars? Astronomer. B. Fill in the blanks. The man destroyed earth. In the earth we get water from dash, rain. In Mars, dash earth days make a year, 687 days. You don't need dash and dash in the earth, space suit and oxygen cylinder. Fifth one, fruits, vegetables and water in the moths are not real. One word's finished. Next, answer the following question. First question, what is the setting of the story? Answer, the setting of the story is an Indian colony in March in the year 2068. Second question, name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. Carrot was the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hab. The grandfather said, no ma, the carrot is not taste like the, get that earth carrot. Third question, what is the soul? How many hours make a soul? Soul is the Martian day. 24 hours and 39 minutes make a soul. And the fourth question, how water is produced in Mars? Water is produced in Mars by burning the fuels. Fifth question, in this story, what happened to the earth? In this story, earth had been destroyed by humans. What should be done to save the earth? All sorts of pollution should be reduced to save the earth. Let's see the book back grammar. Compound words. Compounding is the word forming process of joining two or more bases to form a new unit called a compound. It is the most common device which has been productive at every period of the English language. Let's see the few compound words. Two little words that come together to make a big or a new word. See the picture, students. Rain plus goat, rain goat. Band plus cake, band cake. Ear plus ring, earring. Snow plus man, snowman. Rat plus fish, rat. Cat plus fish, catfish. See, two words combine one word, make a one new word. So rain plus coat, raincoat. Pan plus cake, pancake. Ear plus ring, earring. Snow plus man, snowman. Cat plus fish, catfish. A compound word is formed when two or more words are linked together to form a new word with a new meaning. See, flower, we know flower, it's a separate word, part. So it's combined, the compound word is the flower part. Sun and class, sunglasses. Star, fish, starfish. Rainbow, rainbow. Cup, cake, cupcake. Snowman, snowman. See the another examples. Shoe box, shoe box. Butterfly, butterfly. Star, fish, starfish. Ear, ring, earring. Ear, ring, earring. Hair brush, hairbrush. Handbag, handbag. Wheelchair, wheelchair. Strawberries, strawberries. Sima, two words join together and make a new word. See the picture and also how the word formed. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Pan plus cake, pancake. Ear plus ring, earring. Snow plus man, snowman. Cat plus fish, catfish. Thank you.